It's like a wounded trout. See? And Naga, feel free to fall in the water or something. Go ahead. Hey, walk. The video's going. Go. This is what hikers look like when they've done countless years of hiking in the wilderness. This is it right here. If you look in the dictionary under world travelers, hikers, this is it right here. Doesn't get any better than this. Oh my goodness. We might have to delete this later. I'm waiting for him to fall. This is going to be funny. You don't think he likes the water, do you? He loves the water. He should be a Pisces, like Walt and I, but he isn't. Look at this specimen. He worked for 3 months. He said like Rocky to get ready for this trip right here. Look at this. Look at this specimen. This is like amazing. The workout he did was just, I couldn't even imagine the workout he did to get ready for this. Come on, $100. I got $100 so you can't make it, Walt. You can use all four. $50. Come on, Walt, you can do it. Come on, Walt. He can't do it. I've offered him $50. Here we are at the beginning of the subway. Let's take a picture above. This is probably what, 1,000-foot drop or something, Walt, or more? At least 1,000-foot drop. At least as high as the Angel's Landing was. Here's the beginning of the subway. And now I will be zooming in on the subway, and we'll be going in there. Okay, let's go. I'm going to walk up towards the subway while I'm filming. It's going to move around a little bit, everybody, but oh well. That's the way it goes. Tough luck. If you don't like it, don't watch the video. This is what we hiked like 5 miles to see. There's a lot of work to get here, a lot of climbing up and down rocks and everything. But from what I can see, it was worth it. Definitely worth it. Except our knees are going to pay for it when we get back to the hotel tonight. Oh, here's some holes that the water created. You see the tower of water here. We'll just continue coming up here. Naga fell in the water a while ago. I fell in it halfway up. And then Naga fell a while ago. And unfortunately, we didn't get a picture of either one of us falling in the water. Okay, we're going to continue upwards now. It's kind of slippery here. There's a lot of this grain moss stuff. This would be great to go swimming in the summer. We're going to come back here in the summer. Maybe this next summer, we're going to come up here and go take a weekend and go swimming up and come in here in the middle of summer and go swimming in these pools. Oh shit. This is really slippery. Here's the picture. Hey, here's the famous picture right here. It's your turn, Walt. Go, get in the water.
You want me to fall, huh?
Yeah. Come on, Walt, you can do it. Go ahead, Naga. I'll get a picture of you walking. You still have a chance later. Oh shit. You still have a chance later on. This looks like a good slide area. In the summertime, you could slide in there. We were hoping Walt would show us how to do that. Okay, I'm going to carefully. All right. Your little twins are going to start chafing. You're going to be completely wet now. Naga, try it over here. Try it right there, Naga. Right there. No, I don't think so. Oh shit. Slipping. I know, I was acting. Naga didn't go back in there, but there's like pools and there's a waterfall. We're doing it in the summertime. You have to get like in waist deep or even chest deep water back there. I'm not going to do it right now, it's too cold. I'm going to keep this on. It's going to move, bounce around a little bit, but it's really pretty. Oops. Subway's not as big as I thought it was. I thought it was like a bigger area than this, like maybe twice as much as what this was, but it's still very impressive and neat. That was close. I gotta pay attention to how what I'm doing here. There's holes all over, like 3 feet deep holes you don't want to walk into, and it's really slippery. And I fell once in the water and I don't need to fall in again. Naga fell in. Walter's the only one that hasn't fallen in, so he has to fall in at least once. So hopefully I can get that on video. Here's one more picture looking backwards of the subway before I leave. It's very cool. But now, unfortunately, we have to walk all the way back. Bye for now.